Okay, for 79, it says find the x and y intercepts for the graphs of the relationships in problem 178, right? In 178. So let's go back to 178 here, right? So here's 178. So the x and y intercepts, right? So we can just look at this the graph. So let's start with A. So the x intercepts are here. Whoops. Are here and here. So x-intercepts are at, that's -1 and +1, right? X and y-intercepts are not given as ordered pairs, even though the book gives them that way. And the y-intercept is right here. Y-intercept is at 4, right? Okay, for B, the x-intercept is when y is 0, right? The x-intercept is when y is 0. So here's the x-intercept is 19. X-intercept is 19. And the y-intercept is when x is 0, which is right here, right? So the y-intercept is -3. Let's scroll up a little, right? So for C, the x-intercept is when y is 0. So y is 0 2 times here, right? So the x-intercepts, there's two of them, one at -2, one at 4, right? And the y-intercept is when x is 0, so the y-intercept is at 10. And again, we already said that in the electronic book that I'm using at this time, this function is wrong. So for D, mine would be the same as, right, A, but the book is going to have a different value because apparently in the printed version of the book, this is a different function.